Welcome viewers. Today's project is how to make this sided tail trendy designer shirt in very easy way. It is very helpful for beginner to do it very easily. I have made it for my 5-year-old daughter. You can make it by changing the measurement according to your own choice. Okay, let's start. Firstly, we take the 2-meter fabric. For shirt length, mark at 29 inches. And its width is 18 inches. Fold the fabric. Now we have 4 layers, so we will start measurement. Neckline width 3 inches. Shoulder width 4 inches. Shoulder length 6 inches. Now we will take the chest width 8.5 inches. Neckline length 3 inches. Mark the neckline. Below 4 inches. Fitting point width 7.5 inches. Below the 9 inches, hip point width 10 inches. Join all the mark point at the end of sided tail point. Here is the sided tail point. This is the middle point of curved hem. Mark above the 5 inches. Join this point to the sided tail point with the curved line. This is the front neckline cutting. I have cut it to leaf shape. You can make shape as you like. Back neckline cutting will be simple. Now attach the shoulder and also attach zipper to the back part of shirt. At zipper opening area, Now join all the sides of shirt. I have attached piping first and then attach the zipper. And attach the lace at the curved hem of shirt. This is a final look. These sided tails give the shirt beautiful look. These are sleeve parts with shoulder length 6 inches, sleeve length 14 inches. I have also attached the lace on the edges of sleeves, so our sided tail designer shirt is ready. Hope you like it, viewers. If you like my project, then subscribe my channel and also share my videos to your friend and family. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.